This is a short demonstration of the DEWI 101 Minitaur, an amazing breakthrough in data acquisition from Duotron. Featuring 8 universal inputs capable of recording just about anything, with sample rates up to 200 kilosamples per second per channel at 24-bit resolution, and of course, simultaneous sampling of all channels. And with our MSI interfaces, these small plugins allow you to connect a wide variety of other sensors like ICP accelerometers, charge sensors, RTDs, thermocouples, or higher voltages. MSI adapters show up instantly and automatically right inside DuoSoft as soon as you plug them in. We use TEDs for that. In addition to the analog inputs, there are 8 high-speed synchronous counter-encoder inputs. You can configure each of these super counters for CDM sensors, full quadrature encoders, or simple tachometer measurements. In addition, 2 high-speed synchronous CAN bus interfaces. Every vehicle uses CAN bus, and there are a wide variety of sensors that output on the CAN bus. You can set up your messages manually or simply import a DBC library. The list of CAN-based protocols that we support is growing all the time. Now let's take a look at the back. On the left side, we've got the power input, a wide-ranging 6 to 36 volts, a display output for a GPS unit, an EPAT connector, and a sync connector. In the center, 4 USB ports and Ethernet. On the right side, a power output, a display output, a Wi-Fi connector, and a GPS antenna connector. There are so many applications for the DEWI 101 that we don't even know where to begin. But there's no doubt that the Minitaur wants to go for a ride, and it wants to go right now. Whether it's ride and handling, dynamic, road load testing, noise testing, the 101 is right at home inside your car. And that goes for trucks and motorcycles too. And it likes to have a nice mobile display so it can show you the great data that it's recording. Synchronous analog, CAN bus, video, and GPS. The same basic applications happen above the ground too. That's why Minitaur is found on so many commercial and military aircraft testing applications. Speaking of commercial aircraft, how would you like to take an entire data acquisition system right on the plane with you when you travel? And the DEWI 101 Minitaur is rugged enough to be used in all kinds of military vehicles as well. And how about construction vehicles, farming vehicles? All of these applications require the input of analog, CAN bus, video, and GPS inputs, just like train testing. Maybe it's new car acceptance, dynamic acceleration, braking, current collector tests. But sometimes after all that rolling and flying around, the 101 likes to stay at home for a while. This flexible and versatile data acquisition system can be applied to so many applications, whether it's industrial, process monitoring, energy, all kinds of testing and troubleshooting applications. Thermal management is something that we worked very hard on during the development of the DEWI 101 Minitaur. You can use it in the desert or right here.